Welcome to Reichlieu Estates in West Mobile, Alabama. This beautiful, spacious home is just off of Foreman Road, so it is super close to USA Providence Hospital and the University of South Alabama. This home boasts beautiful split brick floor throughout the kitchen, the fourth bedroom, and the hallway. This is a 4-bedroom with 3 full baths. The hallway bath. Bedroom 1. Extra storage here. A linen closet here at the end of the hallway. Bedroom 2. Luxury vinyl plank through all the bedrooms and bathrooms, except the 4th bedroom that has the split brick flooring. Beautiful granite countertops in the bathroom as well as the kitchen. You also have a nice sized walk-in closet here to your right. Ceiling fans in all 4 bedrooms. New stainless steel appliances. This home has a lot of entertaining space. This 4th bedroom is huge. Full bath with a freestanding shower. Call me for a private showing. 251-234-9919. Do you need to sell before you can buy? No worries, I've got you covered. I list and sell real estate in Mobile and Baldwin County. You want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Frankie Wink 3600. We have a covered porch here off of the French doors. You have a fully fenced-in backyard, a 2-car carport. There's a concrete pad out back. If you want to move a storage building out here, you have a lot of entertaining space out here.